Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 21st through March 6th. For February 21st to 25th, we have a ridge here over the eastern Pacific that will build into portions of the west. You can see it here. And we also have a ridge here over the western Atlantic. And we have our upper low here over the northwest Canada, or over the northern Canada territories, that with a trough extending down into the U.S. So as you go through the period, the flow transitions gradually to more of a zone of flow, but the height anomalies remain the same. And we will have a frontal system. Will go to the map, a frontal boundary that will move into the northwest and produce several days of active weather over the northwest and portions of the west. A system will push through the central and southern plains and New England. Right here, you can see it here. It'll be a frontal boundary. And this will produce during the first part of the week, and this will bring moderate areas of wintry precipitation the first part of the week, mostly from the Midwest to the Northeast, and areas of light to moderate rain are likely further south. Some lake effect snow will be possible in the cold cyclonic flow behind the departing system, and a front is forecast to reach the plains and the central states, with precipitation possibly developing, and that will depend on the amount of low-level Gulf inflow ahead of the system. We're going to look at the pattern now for February 26th to the 2nd, and a zone of flow is forecast across the country with a ridge over the eastern Pacific, upper low over northwest Canada, and below normal heights into the west, or across the northern states. Some of the models are showing like this across the northern states. Other models have it more settled like this over the west. And then we have our ridge here over the southeast, zone of flow here in the eastern U.S., east central states. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the northwest and northern Rockies and California, and forecast anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal, and then near to slightly above normal temperatures are forecast from the plains to the Pacific coast, to the Atlantic coast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Then we're looking ahead for the period for March 3rd to the 6th. This is a time where I thought we would have extension of the polar vortex down again into the east. It seems like that has backed off. There is still some progression of this extension of this polar vortex here, extending to the southeast, but not quite reaching the U.S. during this period. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees or more are possible. Some areas might be as high as 12. And then we have above normal temperatures from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the northwest. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 21st through March 6th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.